MC Isabel, and today I'm at Burger King. Stick around.
Totally empty, dude. Totally empty.
No one goes to Burger King this late, except us. Okay, so today we're going to review on a toy. Wait, I'll get my food out because I'm really hungry. I haven't ate for a while, so. And my fries though. But I will eat it. Sorry. So reviewing on this. I forgot what it was. Penguin? I forgot what the whole thing was.
It's called Penguin from Madagascar.
Yeah. Penguin from Madagascar. Open it up. Oh. Please do not bite. Okay, don't bite your plastic. I bit it. I gotta get it open. So my dad helped me. See how it's open. And this is what you do. So maybe I'm gonna check. What works? It won't start eating it. On the back of the switch. Keep doing this. You go up, down, like over and like this. You're eating a disc. You're eating a disc. But that's all we have for today. See you guys later, and bye. Also, one more thing. You should check out someone's channel called Griffin Reviews. He's a pretty cool guy. I watch the channel. He's pretty cool. Subscribe to him down below, and he is pretty cool. You should check it out. So, bye. What the hell is going on right there? Why always drink? Eat a desk. Alright. What? You're everywhere, aren't you? You're never gonna leave. You're always walking around. This penguin is an oh my gosh. It's an oh my gosh penguin. I don't understand the penguin.